Today I am reviewing the MassaMAX A675 4D massage chair. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MassaMAX A675 4D massage chair is a revolutionary step in home relaxation technology, blending cutting-edge features with unmatched comfort to deliver a truly personalized full-body massage experience. This chair is thoughtfully engineered with advanced smart sensors that perform a full-body scan, detecting your unique body shape and pressure points to customize each massage to your exact needs. This intelligent approach ensures that every session targets the areas you need the most, making the massage more effective and deeply relaxing. One of the standout innovations of the MassaMAX A675 is its eye-open flexible SL track system. Unlike traditional SL tracks that offer a fixed path, this adjustable track can shift dynamically between 125 and 167 degrees. This flexibility allows the massage rollers to provide a deeper stretch, better muscle relief, and enhanced spinal alignment throughout your session. It's especially beneficial for anyone who suffers from back stiffness or chronic tension, as it mimics professional therapy techniques by reaching deeper into the muscles. The chair's full body stretch massage feature is nothing short of amazing. It skillfully combines roller kneading, air compression, and gentle stretching movements that work from your neck all the way down to your calves. This holistic approach not only melts away tension, but also promotes circulation and improves flexibility. The calf kneading mechanism deserves special mention as well. It uses dual rotating rollers that effectively knead and soothe tired calves, while the automatic footrest extends to perfectly align your legs for maximum comfort. This attention to detail sets the MassaMAX apart from many other massage chairs on the market. For those seeking relief from spinal pressure and muscle stiffness, the zero-gravity recline feature offers a floating posture that significantly reduces the stress on your spine. Paired with the soothing heat therapy targeted at the lumbar region, this combination helps ease muscle stiffness and promotes a deeper state of relaxation. You'll feel like you're being cradled in comfort while your body gets the care it deserves. The user experience on this chair is also incredibly thoughtful. You have 3 convenient control methods: a large touchscreen panel, intuitive armrest shortcut buttons, and even voice control. Yes, you can simply tell the chair what type of massage you want, from relaxing to deep tissue, and it will respond accordingly. This hands-free option is perfect for those moments when you just want to sit back and let the chair do all the work. Adding to the convenience is the quick and easy assembly process. Attaching the footrest takes only about 5 minutes, so you can set up your new massage chair with minimal effort and start enjoying it right away. Plus, with a 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, along with over 50 showrooms nationwide, you're fully supported if you ever need assistance or have questions. In conclusion, the MassaMAX A675 4D massage chair offers a premium, customizable massage experience right in the comfort of your home. Whether you're dealing with everyday muscle fatigue, chronic pain, or simply want to unwind after a long day, this chair's smart technology, flexible track system, and luxurious features make it a top choice for anyone looking to invest in their health and well-being.